In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make dashed lines and perfectly spaced dotted lines in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're designing logos, icons, infographics, or technical drawings, understanding how to control your stroke settings properly will give you much cleaner and more professional results. I'll walk you step by step through creating a dashed line, and then I'll show you the correct way to create perfectly round dotted lines, not the messy, uneven kind. Make sure you stick around to the end so you don't miss the small setting that makes all the difference. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and design tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, let's create a dashed line in Illustrator. Start by selecting the Line tool on your toolbar. The shortcut for that is the # key on your keyboard. Now click and drag on your artboard to draw a straight line. You can also use any shape with a stroke, like a rectangle or a circle. The dashed effect works the same way as long as the object has a stroke applied. Next, make sure your line is selected. This is important because the stroke settings only apply to the selected object. Now go up to the top menu and click on Window, then choose Stroke. This will open the Stroke panel where all the line styling options are located. Inside the Stroke panel, you'll see an option that says Dashed Line. Go ahead and check that box. As soon as you enable it, Illustrator will automatically apply a default dash and gap pattern to your line. Now let's customize it. You'll see two main fields, dash and gap. The dash value controls the length of each dash. If you increase the number, the dashes become longer. If you decrease them, they become shorter. The gap value controls the space between each dash. Increasing the gap spreads the dashes further apart, while decreasing it brings them closer together. For example, try setting the dash to 20 points and the gap to 10 points. You'll immediately see a clean, evenly spaced dashed line. You can experiment with different values depending on the style you want. If you want a more subtle dashed effect, use smaller numbers. If you want bold, dramatic dashes, increase both the stroke weight and the dash value. And that's it. That's how you create a dashed line in Illustrator. Now let's move on to creating a perfectly dotted line. This is where many beginners go wrong. They often type random small numbers in the dash field, but that creates oval or uneven shapes instead of perfect dots. So here's the correct way to do it. First, make sure your line is still selected. In the stroke panel, look for the cap options. You'll see three icons, butt cap, round cap, and projecting cap. Click on round cap. This is the key step that makes your dots perfectly circular. Next, make sure the dashed line box is still checked. Now here's the important part. Set the dash value to 0. That's right, 0. Then move to the gap field and enter a value that is larger than your stroke weight. For example, if your stroke weight is 10 points, set the gap to something like 15 or 20 points. Because the dash is set to 0 and the cap is round, Illustrator creates evenly spaced circular dots. The gap controls the spacing between each dot, so increasing it spreads the dots further apart, and decreasing it brings them closer together. This method guarantees perfectly round, evenly spaced dots every single time. And that's how you create both dashed and dotted lines in Adobe Illustrator the right way. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Illustrator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.